Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your environment. Git installed, user, name and user, email set. Then locate the exact commit hash with git log one line. If you moved head recently, use git reflog. Once you know whether the commit is only local or already pushed to a remote, decide the safe path. If the commit is pushed, prepare to inform collaborators. Now that prerequisites are met and the target hash is identified, you're ready to rewrite the commit message. You will now change the message. If it's the most recent commit, run git commit amendm new message, and note this creates a new commit object. For older commits, start an interactive rebase with git rebase ibase where base is the parent before the range. Then change the target line to reword and save. When the editor opens for that commit, edit the message, save, and run git rebase continue until rebase completes. Make sure tests pass and history is consistent. Once the messages are rewritten, you need to update the remote. If the commit was previously pushed, use git push force with lease to minimize surprise. This replaces history while checking remote hasn't changed. Make sure to tell teammates to fetch and reset their branches if necessary. If you hit conflicts during a rebase, resolve them, git add the files, and git rebase continue, or abort with git rebase abort. If anything goes wrong, recover the original state using git reflog.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.